Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. This 2003 Golf TDI came for a lot of service, and I also always do a lot of inspections for the owners of the car which I'm working on, even if they didn't really ask for it, right? It's something what I give for free, a little bit of time to give them better idea about the health of their car. Now, for example, this is older vehicle. I don't know who worked on it last time, so I would like to check if there is any play in that front suspension and steering. So let's go and see if everything's okay. I'm looking on the tires, right? They are worn, but they are not worn evenly. I can see that there might be more worn actually a little bit on outside this tire than on inside. I checked already for the bearing play and that's okay. So now I would like to see if the also steering, if it's okay. So bearing, you grab the wheel this way. The steering is here. Let's say 3 and 9 if you was looking on the clock. And now there should be absolutely no play or very minimal. And this wheel has a pop. I can even hear it. Right? You probably can see it. Let me bring you a little bit closer. Alright, maybe even the sound you will be able to hear. Do you see it? Okay, let's go check the other one. So we are on the driver's side, right? And I'll be quiet. No instructions, so you can hear what's happening here. And there's basically minimal or no play when I try to move it. You hear that sound, but that's because it's connected with the other side, and I clearly actually hear it coming from the other side. This side is really good. And I can be crawling underneath the car and trying to see it from there. Well, I will go from here. So let's remove these plastic caps from the lug nuts, right? Actually, these are the bolts, not the lug nuts. So that was the first step. These caps are off. And these bolts are 17s, right? The sock and 6 point is the 17. She has also anti-theft. One of the bolts is this one. So I'm using her special key for it, right? So that should be out. Here we go. And place it nicely on the side. And I have more to go. You see, this thing is really helpful. I love it. The rim is classically sticking, right? So I will support it and that will separate it, right? Perfect. Here you can see actually how these tires are worn. Here on inside, they are right on the mark. So this needs to be replaced basically immediately. I will have to write it in the comments that these tires, are basically done. Yeah. Look at this. There's basically no thread in it in some areas. And now let's see where the damage or wear on the steering could be, right? So it could be here, that outer ball joint of that tie rod, or what will be worse, it could be inside, inner tie rod in the steering down there. I always hope it's actually this one, which is way easier to replace. I brought some light and you will finally see in the detail that actually the outer one, the rubber boot, is completely ripped. You can see actually it's collapsed, and I hope I will be able to show you on camera that there is actually large play in it. Let me try to set up the camera. And if you look with me, we don't have the wheel, so I don't have the leverage, but I hope you can see the movement there. There is a play in it actually. However, we don't have only one place. In this case, on this side, we have two problems. Let me continue showing you the other one. So this is the wheel I was grabbing, right, or whatever, this part. But keep looking on that bushing, which is on the end of that lower arm, right there. Keep looking with me there. You see that play? That bushing, it's definitely over. There is a huge play in that entire, let's say, suspension, right? And that needs to be replaced. That's of course unsafe to drive in these conditions. Also, that definitely causes uneven wear on the tires. And that's it. It is so simple. If you observe the safety precautions, right, and procedures, you can really do a lot by yourself. Definitely inspecting stuff and finding out about the health of your own vehicle. So thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed, because I will be filming all of it and it will show up on this channel. Obviously, if the owner will approve the repairs, but I'm pretty sure she will. Thank you and have a nice day.